Yo, what's up beautiful people of YouTube? Welcome to Dom's Media Zone. Is this video about again? That's right. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set a custom URL in YouTube Creative Studio on your channel once you've reached 100 or more subscribers. So this video is aimed for somebody that's just starting out on YouTube and you're approaching your 100 subscriber or just got over the 100 subscriber mark, or for someone that's just starting on YouTube and is curious what they'll be able to do down the line when their channel grows a little bit. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can get a custom URL for your YouTube channel. Now, a custom URL is amazing because you can share it with your friends, family, or whoever watches your videos, and it's very easy to remember. You can use your channel name or your name or whatever name you want in your custom URL versus the long URL that YouTube provides you when you're just starting out that no one will ever be able to remember. So if this video is for you, stick around and enjoy. What's up everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to set a custom URL for your YouTube channel. Now before you can do this, you're gonna have to meet a few of the criteria that YouTube specified. So one of them is you have to have 100 or more subscribers and your channel has to be at least 30 days old. And then you also need to have an uploaded profile picture and an uploaded banner image. So I'm guessing most of you have the last two, and the first two are a bit harder to get to, but once you reach these milestones you can go ahead and set your custom URL. Now keep in mind that on the day you've reached 100 subscribers you might need to wait another day or two before the option actually becomes available to you. I've hit 100 subscribers 2 days ago and that option only showed up today. So let's go ahead and jump into the YouTube page where I'll show you exactly how to change your URL. So once you're in YouTube, go ahead and in the top right corner click your icon for your channel and then go to YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, head on over to the left hand side here and find an option that says customization. So find the customization page and click on it. Once you're on this page, you want to go into the basic info tab on top. And then if your channel is eligible for a custom URL, you'll see that option over here. So this was my previous channel URL. It's a little bit complicated to share this with someone because no one's going to remember this anyways. And this is my new custom URL that I've chosen. So I've stuck to the channel name. So if you click on custom URL, you'll see that YouTube will recommend a custom one for you, but there'll also be another option where you can type it manually and it will check whether that custom URL is available. Once you're happy with your selection and your custom URL name, all you need to do is hit the publish button on top here. Just keep in mind that you will get a warning when you click publish that you cannot change your channel URL once you've selected one, and you cannot transfer it to another account. So once you choose your channel URL, you're stuck with that URL. So make sure the spelling is correct. Make sure that that's exactly the URL that you want for the future, because once you've chosen it, you cannot undo it. And that's basically the whole process. It's super easy to do. And once you've got that, you can go ahead and test out that your channel custom URL works. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to paste the channel URL into this browser here and hit enter. And as you can see, it takes me straight to my page now, which is fantastic. And now, as you'll notice, it's got here /c/. So this wasn't done by me. This is what YouTube puts in. I think that's to let it know that it's a custom. But just to show you something, if you take that /c/ thing out and you hit enter, it still works. So you can share this URL with your friends or whoever you want who's interested in your YouTube channel. This is the URL that you can share with them now. So you don't need to put that /c/ and it will still work. And it's as easy as that to change your custom URL. I hope this video helps you out. Take care. And I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to change your custom URL. I hope it helps you out. If it did, do give me a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to this channel where I'm going to have many more videos to come in the future. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, take care, and goodbye.